Hello, so we continue from our last class, our last lesson. Don't forget, I'm Jennifer and this is PrepClass. So our 36th question says, Mother bought dash bag from the store. A, an old brown leather bag. Okay, an old brown leather. B, a leather old brown. C, a brown leather. D, an old leather brown. Which is it? So the correct adjective order is an old brown leather bag. Mother bought an old brown leather. Mother bought an old brown leather bag. So you can't say mother bought an brown old leather bag. No, it's appropriate according to the adjectival order of things to say an old brown leather bag. And so that's our correct answer. Option A, an old brown leather bag from the store. Okay, our 37th question. Mr. Amoda's house is a dash building. Option A, 3 high stories. Option B, high 3 stories. Option C, 3 stories high. And option D, high story 3. Which is it? Let's see. So the correct answer is, or the correct adjectival order is high 3 stories. Okay? So Mr. Ramona's house is a high 3 stories building. A high 3 stories building. That's how you put it. It even sounds better. It sounds most appropriate, don't you think? It sounds most appropriate than saying Mr. Ramona's house is 3 high stories building. It's high story 3 building. No. We're just going to stick with high 3 stories building. Our 38th question. Food and drink are essential dash life. A in, B to, C with, D up. So which is the most appropriate preposition to use? Food and drink are essential to life. And why are we choosing to? Because it is a preposition used to indicate necessity. Okay? It's a preposition used to indicate necessity. I have to walk. It's necessary that I work. I have to work. So we use to as the preposition that indicates necessity. So we go with to, showing that food and drink are necessary to live, right? Necessary in life. So we have to, option B as our correct answer. Our 39th question. Tunji must avail himself dash the opportunity. A of, B with, C upon, D to. Which is it? So to avail oneself or for the opportunity is a fixed phrase. Actually, it's not even interchangeably used. It comes as a fixed phrase. So I have to avail myself of the opportunity. You have to avail yourself of the opportunity. They have to avail themselves of the opportunity. So the preposition of is like fixed. It can't be tampered with. Okay? It comes as a phrase, a fixed phrase. Available to avail yourself of. Okay, so here we have it. Option A of. Okay, option A of. Avail of the opportunity. That's the phrase. So of is correct. Our 40th question. Malam Shehu is generous, dash she is poor. A, although. B, besides. C, because. D, since. So which is correct? Although is correct because it means even though, in spite of. So it's a way of saying Madam Shehu is generous even though he is poor. In spite of the fact that he is poor, he is still generous. So although it is the correct word to fill in the gap, I will have it option A, although. Okay, so we have come to the end of this spectacular learning phase, and I still look forward to learning more with you. We're never going to stop learning, right? Great learners, great leaders. I'm going to say it again. Great learners are great leaders. We're never going to stop learning. So I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Don't forget to drop your comments. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We depend on you to do that, right? We depend on you to do that. So please don't forget to subscribe so that you can enjoy the benefits, the numerous benefits of being a PrepClass channel subscriber. Okay, so PrepClass loves you. Don't forget that. Don't ever forget that. Okay? We love you. We're always here for your educational needs, to satisfy your educational needs. And what else? We're always going to be here. So please take care of yourself. Always be happy and bye.